everyone, welcome to another video of mine. It's your boy Namakana here live. Once again, welcome to another video of mine. Today is another keycap reveal. Let's go. Once again, kind of deterring away from the path of my righteousness of creating a wholesome theme. However, seeing this keycap kind of captured my eye, and it also reminded me of someone that I really want to pay homage to. And not only that, this comes from all the way from Germany, and a really peculiar keycap vendor named Luba Humane Keys, I believe. And she or they or them or whatever they identify as, some cute little stickers, which I'm definitely gonna keep and place them somewhere. And she was delighted enough to send me a little note. You don't get this. This is rare stuff, alright? Like, I really appreciate this. Is up to your respect and your love for this vendor, like, tenfold. Like, I'm definitely gonna order a few more things from you in the future. But let's just try to, like, everything is just cute. Like, what is this? Heart-shaped bubble wrap and all these cutesy little stickers. I don't even know where to put them on. Probably on my laptop or my phone. I'm trying to get this out. Alright, you finally got it out. Before the reveal, I would just like to read this note here. Dear Alano, thank you so much for supporting me. I've made this keycap for you beloved keyboard, and I hope you'll love your new keycap. I wish you have a nice day. Stay safe. Smiley face and hearts from Germany. My friend. This is handwritten. Not only is she skilled in her work, she is very skilled in her craftsmanship and her calligraphy. Like, what in this? This is cursive. Highly detailed. Like, it looks like a robot did it, but it's not. It's handwritten. Beautiful. I might keep this as well somewhere. Anyways, off to the keycap that we've all been waiting here for. Drum roll, please. Oh, bam! Yes, that's right, everyone. It is a Panda Keycap. If I could make this focus for a minute here, with a very cutesy packaging with flowers over it. I love that. I'm not sure if this is the one I ordered, but I think it's kind of random. You kind of get like a random panda emoji type of thing, and she gave me the hearts, so I really appreciate that. Fantastic. I believe it's an R4 keycap, so it will have to be placed on top of the 2 rows on my keyboard. But yeah, I think it's random, and also it complements the theme that I'm going for, which is like an Asian Japanese type of thing. I know there's pandas. I know they're 2 different countries, but there's pandas in China, and there's also, I got this because it reminds me of a friend that I knew, and yeah, just like, wow, this. They would have loved this if they saw this right here, right now. But anyways, this is great. Love it. Thank you so much. Till next time, guys, please leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?